Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the incredible stories of Jamaicans who have made a powerful impact on the world stage. From trailblazing athletes to musical legends and influential political figures, Jamaicans have continuously left their mark in ways that inspire and uplift. These are more than just stories of success. They are testaments to the resilience, creativity, and influence of Jamaican culture on a global scale. So, let's explore the top 10 Jamaicans making waves internationally. Usain Bolt, the fastest man alive. First on our list is a name that needs no introduction. Usain Bolt, often referred to as the Lightning Bolt. Born in Sherwood-Content, Trelawney, Jamaica, Bolt's journey from a small-town boy to a global sports icon is nothing short of extraordinary. He is the fastest man in history, holding world records in both the 100 meters at 9.58 seconds and 200 meters at 19.19 seconds, set in 2009. His Olympic career boasts 8 gold medals, and he dominated the World Championships, earning 11 golds. But it's not just his speed that made Usain Bolt a global sensation. His charismatic personality, signature lightning bolt pose, and infectious energy captivated audiences around the world. Bolt transcended the sport, becoming a symbol of excellence and determination. Even after retiring from professional athletics, he remains influential, investing in sports academies, participating in charity work, and inspiring future generations of athletes to reach for greatness. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, the sprinting sensation. Next up, we have Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, affectionately known as the Pocket Rocket. This Jamaican sprinter has solidified her place as one of the greatest female athletes of all time. Born and raised in Waterhouse, Kingston, Fraser-Pryce's rise to fame began when she won gold in the 100 meters at the 2008 Beijing Olympics, making history as the first Caribbean woman to achieve this feat. She went on to defend her title in 2012, becoming a 2-time Olympic champion. Her journey has been marked by resilience. After giving birth to her son in 2017, many doubted if she could return to her former glory. Yet, in 2019, she stunned the world by winning her 4th World Championship title in the 100 meters, proving that motherhood and elite athletics can coexist. Beyond her athletic achievements, Fraser-Pryce is an advocate for women in sports and is committed to empowering young Jamaican girls through mentorship and education. Bob Marley, the reggae legend. No conversation about Jamaicans making a global impact is complete without mentioning Bob Marley. Born in 9 Mile, St. Anne, Jamaica, Marley introduced reggae music to an international audience, spreading messages of peace, love, and social justice. His hits, such as One Love, Redemption Song, and No Woman, No Cry, remain timeless, resonating with people from all walks of life. Marley's music became the soundtrack of movements for equality and human rights, and his Rastafarian beliefs challenged social norms and promoted unity. Even decades after his passing, Bob Marley's legacy continues to grow. He is celebrated not only as a music icon, but also as a cultural ambassador who put Jamaica on the world map. Marley's influence can be seen in the countless artists who credit him as an inspiration, and his estate continues to release music and promote his message, ensuring that his impact lives on for future generations. Moving from music to political impact, we have Marcus Garvey, a towering figure in the Pan-African movement. Born in St. Ann's Bay, Jamaica, in 1887, Garvey's vision of black unity and self-reliance inspired millions across the African diaspora. As the founder of the Universal Negro Improvement Association, he advocated for economic empowerment, cultural pride, and the unification of people of African descent worldwide. Garvey's message resonated far beyond Jamaica, laying the ideological foundation for future civil rights movements in the United States and the decolonization of African nations. His slogan, "Africa for the Africans," became a rallying cry for many. Even today, Marcus Garvey is celebrated as a visionary, with his teachings influencing leaders like Nelson Mandela and Malcolm X. His enduring legacy is honored annually in Jamaica, where he is recognized as a national hero. In the realm of cultural influence, Louise Bennett Coverley, or Miss Lou, stands out as a true Jamaican icon. Born in Kingston in 1919, Miss Lou was a poet, folklorist, and educator who championed the use of Jamaican patois in literature and performance. At a time when patois was often dismissed as improper or inferior, Miss Lou elevated the language, celebrating its richness and uniqueness. Her performances and writings brought Jamaican folklore and humour to life, endearing her to audiences worldwide. Miss Lou's impact on Jamaican culture cannot be overstated. She inspired generations of writers, artists, and musicians, paving the way for the global appreciation of Jamaica's linguistic and cultural heritage. Her work has been foundational in preserving Jamaican traditions and has influenced notable artists, including reggae musicians who use patois to express the soul of the island. From folklore to modern music, we have Shaggy, the Grammy-winning artist known for his hits Boombastic and It Wasn't Me. Born Orville Richard Burrell in Kingston, Shaggy moved to the United States and later served in the US Marine Corps. His musical career took off in the 1990s, and he quickly became known for his unique voice and ability to blend reggae with pop and dancehall. But Shaggy's impact extends beyond the charts. He is deeply committed to philanthropy, organising the Shaggy and Friends charity concert to raise funds for the Bustamante Hospital for Children in Jamaica. Through his music and humanitarian efforts, Shaggy continues to represent Jamaica on the global stage, showcasing the power of giving back to the community. Patrick Ewing, one of the most iconic figures in basketball, was born in Kingston, Jamaica, before moving to the United States. As a dominant center for the New York Knicks, Ewing's career in the NBA was legendary, earning him 11 All-Star selections and a place in the Basketball Hall of Fame. He also represented the United States in the Olympics, winning gold medals in 1984 and 1992 as part of the original Dream Team. Ewing's journey from Jamaica to becoming an NBA superstar serves as an inspiration to athletes worldwide. After retiring as a player, he transitioned into coaching and currently serves as the head coach for Georgetown University's basketball team, giving back to the sport that made him a household name. Grace Jones is a force of nature. Born in Spanish Town, Jamaica, she moved to the United States and later to Paris, where she launched her modelling career. Known for her androgynous appearance and fierce stage presence, Jones broke barriers in the music and fashion industries. Her music, a blend of reggae, new wave and funk, produced hits like Pull Up to the Bumper and Slave to the Rhythm. Jones's influence transcends genres and decades. She has inspired fashion designers, musicians, and visual artists with her bold style and unapologetic persona. Her performances remain iconic, and she continues to challenge societal norms, making her a lasting symbol of empowerment and self-expression. Harry Bellonte, though born in the United States, proudly embraced his Jamaican heritage. His calypso hits, particularly the Banana Boat song, Day-O, introduced Caribbean rhythms to mainstream audiences in the 1950s. But Bellonte's legacy extends far beyond his musical accomplishments. He was a close friend and confidant of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., using his celebrity status to support the civil rights movement and raise awareness of social injustices. Bellonte remains a tireless activist, advocating for human rights, education, and disaster relief efforts in the Caribbean. His work has earned him numerous accolades, including a place in the annals of history as a pioneer for social change and a bridge between entertainment and activism. Rounding out our list is Portia Simpson Miller, Jamaica's first female Prime Minister. Her leadership, which spanned 2 terms, was characterized by her commitment to social inclusion and economic development. Simpson Miller worked tirelessly to improve healthcare, education, and infrastructure in Jamaica, gaining international recognition for her efforts. As a trailblazer for women in politics, Simpson Miller inspired women across the Caribbean and beyond to pursue leadership roles. Her advocacy for the marginalized and her dedication to her country have left a lasting impact, and she continues to be celebrated as a symbol of strength and perseverance. These 10 individuals exemplify the extraordinary talent and resilience of Jamaicans on the international stage. Their contributions across various fields have not only brought pride to Jamaica, but have also enriched global culture and society. As we celebrate their achievements, let's continue to support and recognize the impact of Jamaicans making waves around the world. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content celebrating Jamaica's achievements around the world. Let us know in the comments which Jamaican figure inspires you the most. Until next time, stay inspired.